Hello students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So we are solving today Madras School of Economics 2025 sample question paper and we are on question number 35. So let us read out. Identify the scheme that is specific to the state in which it is implemented. Is that Ryutu Bandhu scheme Madhya Pradesh, Yashashini Maharashtra, Kudumbashree Kerala, Muthulakshami Reddy scheme Andhra Pradesh. So the correct answer is Kudumbashree Kerala. That is a specific state where it is implemented. Let us know that what is the Kudumbashree scheme. So Kudumbashree scheme is a specific women empowerment program. It aims at eradicating poverty and promoting social and economic development through women self-help groups. So here's a brief overview. So this is your correct answer, and I hope now you are understood that what is the scheme. But I will tell you, recommend you to study all the reports because they can give you from any scheme. Okay, and you know all the schemes and which year it is implemented. Let us be brief with the rest of the schemes which are being mentioned here. What is Ritu scheme? Ritu Bandhu scheme. It is in Telangana actually. Okay, it's not Madhya Pradesh. It is a farmer investment support scheme. Okay, this is Ryutu. Next you are having Yashashini. What is Yashashini? Yashashini is from Karnataka and it is a health insurance scheme for farmer. Health insurance scheme. And next you are having Muthulakshami Reddy scheme. Muthulakshmi. And that is not Andhra Pradesh but Tamil Nadu. And it provides assistance to women. Okay. Next question we are having the Hindu rate of growth. The so-called Hindu rate of growth refers to which thing? So this Hindu rate of growth, it was refers to India's average GDP growth. India's average GDP growth. And that is for 3.5% during the period from 1950 1970. Okay, and this term was used pejoratively by economists to describe the slow economic growth rate. The slow economic growth rate, and during this time which was seen as a result of inefficient, means what are the reason of this? There might be some reasons. Inefficient economic policies were there. Second, rigid government control were there. Third, large agrarian economy. Large agrarian economy. Okay. So it is important to note that the term Hindu rate of growth was not related to the population rate of growth following the Hindu region, but rather to the economic growth rate during this period. So the correct answer is option C. India's average GDP growth of 3.5% in 1950 to 1970. So thank you students, and do let us know if you have any query, and best of luck for your examination.